Hi everyone, I am Kathleen Cruz and I hope everyone's staying safe and healthy. And if you've been staying home and you have nothing else to do, today I am going to teach you how to make banana bread. If you have tons of overripe bananas that you don't feel like eating at all, well, this is your time. You can make your own chocolate pecan banana bread at home, and that's what I'm going to tell you about. Okay, everyone, so everything that I already have prepared here, all you have to do is basically mix everything, right? So we're going to start off with our wet ingredient, which is 1/4 cup of the oil. And then we're going to have the eggs. There you go. Set your mixer to 1. And we're going to slowly add our 1 cup of flour, 1 cup of sugar, or I'm using 1/2 cup here. And then the salt and the baking soda. Right? So easy. Next is the bananas. So before you wanted to mix everything together, you wanted to preheat your oven at 350 degrees. I'm going to put my pecans. There we go. And I'm going to add a little bit of chocolate chips. I'm using dark chocolate just because I love dark chocolate. And then I'm just going to add a tad bit of chia seed for texture. If you don't want the texture of chia seed, I don't recommend you putting it in. Just this. There you go. Yeah, it's good. So in making a cake or banana bread, you don't want over mixing. So that's as much as I wanted it mixed. So as you can see, I don't really do a lot of mixing, right? So easy. You can even make this in 5 minutes. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna grab our pan, just pour it in. So the secret for a moist banana bread, I would say, is that you shouldn't be over mixing any of your batter. You want to have a good quality of flour. So usually if you're wanting to make cakes or any sweet breads or anything, you wanted to use as much as possible a cake flour. There you have it. This is already the batter, and I am just going to wait until the oven is ready. So that's what we're gonna do. And for the meantime, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put my toppings. So what do I have on my toppings? So right there I put some pecans, brown sugar, and more of the chocolate, and a little bit of cinnamon. So yeah, that's it guys. I hope you liked this video and I was able to share you one of my favorite recipes of the banana bread, and it's super moist that the kids can love, everyone could love. You can also mix and match it with different toppings that you'd like. As you've seen, I also added a little bit of chia seeds in there. My name is Kathleen Cruz, and of course, we'll live in interesting times.
Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, make sure to show us some love by liking it and subscribing or following us on all of our social media platforms, including Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and YouTube. We'd love to hear what you think. So if there's something that you liked or maybe something you'd like to see from us, let us know in the comments and we'll try our best to make that happen. See you later.